From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed upon the stars. We wondered if we were alone in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Today, that question still captivates us. The universe, in its immensity, holds billions upon billions of stars. Many of these stars have their own planetary systems. Could there be another Earth out there? Could life exist on other planets? The search for life beyond Earth has accelerated in recent decades. We have powerful new tools at our disposal. Telescopes like Kepler and TESS are planet hunters. They scour the galaxy looking for tiny dips in starlight. These dips can indicate a planet passing in front of its star. This is called a transit. Through transits, we can learn a great deal about these distant worlds. We can determine their size and their orbit. We can even begin to understand their atmospheres. All of this information helps us answer the question, could this planet be habitable? Finding a planet that could support life is no easy task. Not all planets are created equal. Some are gas giants, like Jupiter, with no solid surface. Others orbit too close to their star, making them scorching infernos. Still others are locked in a deep freeze, far from the warmth of their sun. To be considered potentially habitable, a planet must reside in what we call the Goldilocks zone. This zone, also known as the habitable zone, is the region around a star where temperatures are just right. It needs to be not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. Water is essential for life as we know it. Finding a planet in the habitable zone is a major step, but it is only the first step. We must also consider other factors such as the planet's atmosphere and its magnetic field. Proxima Centauri b, or Proxima b for short, is a planet that has captured our imagination. This exoplanet orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. It lies within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone, raising hopes for the potential for life. However, Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs are known for their powerful flares which could be harmful to any life on a nearby planet. Kepler 452b, discovered by the Kepler telescope, is often called Earth's older cousin. This exoplanet is larger than Earth and orbits a star similar to our Sun. Kepler 452b resides in its star's habitable zone. It is a promising candidate for life. However, its larger size means it likely has much stronger gravity than Earth. TRAPPIST-1 is a system that holds particular intrigue. This system boasts 7 Earth-sized planets, with 3 of them located in the habitable zone. The TRAPPIST-1 planets are relatively close to each other. Section 4, Proxima b, our nearest neighbor. Proxima b is the closest known exoplanet to Earth. Its proximity makes it a prime target for future observations. However, being in the habitable zone does not guarantee habitability. Proxima Centauri, its host star, is a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs are much smaller and cooler than our Sun. They are also known for their intense stellar activity. Proxima Centauri is no exception. It frequently releases powerful flares that could strip away a planet's atmosphere. These flares could pose a significant challenge for the development of life on Proxima b. Despite these challenges, Proxima b remains an exciting target for astronomers. Its close proximity offers us a unique opportunity to study an exoplanet in detail. Section 5, Distant Hopes, Kepler 452b and the TRAPPIST-1 system. Kepler 452b orbits a star similar to our Sun. Its size and location in the habitable zone make it intriguing. However, Kepler 452b is much larger than Earth. This size difference suggests a very different environment. The surface gravity on Kepler 452b could be significantly stronger than what we experience on Earth. This stronger gravity could have a profound impact on the planet's geology and potential life forms. The TRAPPIST-1 system presents another fascinating case study. This system is home to 7 Earth-sized planets, a record number for a single star system. 3 of these planets reside in the habitable zone, raising hopes for the possibility of life. The TRAPPIST-1 planets are tidally locked to their star. This means that one side of the planet always faces the star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. This tidal locking could create extreme temperature differences between the 2 hemispheres. Despite the challenges, the TRAPPIST-1 system holds great promise. Its diverse collection of planets provides a unique laboratory for studying the conditions necessary for life to arise.